Alright guys, it's been hectic. I've been set up probably an hour. Just now got daylight enough to pull the camera out. I've already got 2 on the bank. I filmed some of it on my phone that I'll upload. Alright guys. It's too dark to set up the camera. Already got number 1 on the bank. Probably 6-7 pounds. Alright guys, I gotta get the camera set up. I just got another one. Fat blue. Broken tail on him. I'll get him back. We're back out here fishing a major creek that's loaded with bait. It's kind of the backwater. There's a crap ton of bait in here. My guy wasn't messing with this one right here right now. Let's try to catch some more.
Okay, let's go.
I didn't bring my net. I see him in that one.
Yeah. He's hung up or something.
Shit. That's really good.
Dang it, man.
I realized the ring back this way.
He was screaming all with it, dude.
Yeah.
Dang it. I guess they're starting to bite again.
Yep. Lock it down.
Get him?
Locked it down. He hooked himself.
Sorry, I was changing out the memory card. Mark's only got one though. Son of a card full.
Broke the ice on one bigger than 2 pounds. Not much bigger. Okay, I mean that's perfect hook set. Yep. You know, it's all the way through. Yes, I'm just gonna start locking them down. We go ahead on it. Well, we got the skunk off with the catfish today. Not a bad little blue. That tail fin, look how weird it looks. Got a weird fin back here. Y'all can see that. It's just weird. Rope or something. Get it back in here. Let it go, let it go. We'll take this piece of bait here. Stick that in his mouth. Give him a little part in here. There you go. He didn't spit it out either. Good. There's that piece of gizzard shad that was laying there. Hey, hey, hey. Same one, hopefully.
That's a good fish.
Oh, the same one. Come off of mine. Ran about the same.
We're taking this one down the bank. Do you follow with the camera? You can set it down.
Get on the other side so the sun ain't glaring in your eyeballs.
We got us another one, guys. He's decent too. No, he didn't. There he is. Bill and drag, look.
Yep.
Peeling it off.
That's the one
He's peeling it off.
one I just missed.
Oh, he's running me down the bank.
Back and forth. Sorry about this camera work, guys. These rocks are a little sketchy.
Bro, he ain't giving up. He didn't look that big, but he's fighting like crazy. He looked like a 20. He's fighting like a 40. Okay, he's big. You bringing that in the car? No. I got mine. Okay, that's a big fish, bro. All right. Oh, he's probably 30 inch. Let's get him over there. Bro, that's a 30 all day.
Yep.
Ow!
Oh yeah, he might be 40. He may be a 40, bro.
Ow! That's a 40 probably, dude. You got us a good one, guys. A real good one. Is that a new hook?
Yeah.
Sunk in him. Oh crap. What is he?
30.92.
30 pounder.
40. Between 30 and 40.
Between 30 and 40.
39 and 40.
Oh. Pounds? He's a 39 pounder.
39.6.
39.6.
You want to put that one on the back yet?
39.6 pounds. Oh yeah. 39 pounder. Oh, what a beast. That's a big fish, man. Heck yeah. Get him like this.
Rehooking, but they set no birds.
Holy crap. That's the biggest one of the year. There he goes. There he goes, man. Do what? I hope so. He was right at 40. We're trying out some new hooks from Trophy Cat Tackle. This is a switchback circle hook. Sorry, got us a 40 pounder on the bank. Alright, Mark. Sorry, buddy. A good 12-pounder. This should have been your fish, buddy. White rod.
Alright, is that little tail safe?
Was it? Okay, that's the good one. Let's pack it up, guys. We got us one, baby. He ain't no giant. He's rolling. Number 6 if I get him in. All right. Channel cat. Those new hooks, trophy cat tackle, went right in the bottom lip. This guy's missing a whisker. Look at that. Decent fish. We'll get him back in there. That's a good way to close off the trip. Sweet. About to go put these suckers on ice for tomorrow. Bucket full of skipjack. Bucket full of slabs, baby. It's all gonna be bait. We're gonna stay out for a little longer, guys, but I'm gonna tell y'all bye while there's still some daylight. I think it's hard to see with this camera, so I don't put no lights out. Yeah, we had a really good day today. Caught around 50 to 60 crappie. I think between me and Mark together, we ended up keeping 20 for bait. We got about 15 skipjack as well. Mark's still trying to catch skipjack. And I'm watching his rods, watching my rods, and kind of cleaning up. Yeah, this should be a banger. I think we got 4 on camera. No, we got 5 catfish on camera. The biggest one was 39.6. That's the biggest one of the year for us. So yeah, we'll get to packing up. We'll see y'all next week.